Hey all, today I'm going to show a new feature in Analyzer.Tools called Grid Autosave. This solves a common usability challenge where you lose your filters and sorting and grid setup if you leave the page without saving a grid view. Now the grid automatically saves your work. For example, in this result, I've applied several filters, I've moved and sorted columns around, and I've generally customized the grid, but I haven't saved this as a new grid view. Previously, if I left the page or refreshed the browser, I would lose all of this. But as you can see, the grid is now restored exactly the way that I left it if I leave the page or refresh. The modified tag indicates changes were made. If you want to reverse these changes, simply click the reset button, which returns the grid to its original default state. I hope you guys enjoy this simple yet very powerful productivity update. If so, please let us know with a like or comment in the video. Take care.